Hey guys, welcome to Baking and Buttercream. In today's episode of Behind the Buttercream, we are doing the 3-marker challenge.
Let's go ahead and get started.
Yeah, let's do it.
The first page that we will be coloring is a minion. Let's rock, paper, scissors. I have to look over here.
Alright.
And draw 3 markers. Alright, I want that one.
Alright.
This one.
Alright.
I'll take this one. Alright.
Ah, the red one.
Dang it.
Wow, he took red, orange, and dark blue.
That's purple, I think. Look the other way. Alright.
That's one.
Okay.
Right.
Alright, one more color.
So maybe on future rounds we will always show what the color. Oh crap! So I got orange, teal, and then green.
So we both have the same problem with
same close colors. Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is gonna be interesting.
Yeah, we'll probably speed this process up. And go. Whenever you wake up and you haven't slept but only an hour, I went for the more clean look.
This actually looks really interesting from the front side, but look at the back side of this.
Mine actually looks average.
Yours just looks like
it stays the same backwards.
Yeah, yours just looks kind of the same. But look at mine. You look from the back, then you look at the front.
Oh wait, hold on. Flip it back. Yeah, both sides are creepy.
Yeah, I think the back side is more creepy than the front side.
Tell us in the poll up above which one you think is better. Or we're gonna have it
in the comments.
Or in the comments.
Please tell us which character you thought was best. Now, moving on to our next picture.
Are you shaking the bag for yourself?
Yeah, I just want to make sure that.
Wow, interesting colors so far.
I just haven't any black. Oh, I got black.
This one. I want this one. Aww.
Two of the same color.
Dang it.
Okay. So that puts you at a slight disadvantage. Okay.
Yes.
So.
All right. So let's go ahead and start drawing.
So, here we go.
Yours looks interesting from the back.
It does. Yours is. I still don't get how your eyelids on the side though. Really.
Well, it was a mess up, and then I fixed it.
Oh, I see how you did. You did blue and orange on top of each other to do the black sort of color.
Yeah.
That's not bad, actually. That's a good idea. For me,
artiste.
For me, I just did this. I mean.
Yeah, because you had black.
I mean, yeah. I actually just put it. I just put the lines black in. I put some spectacles on him.
Yours are actually kind of creepy. We've seen the sunlight behind it.
What are you talking? It doesn't look that creepy.
All right, guys, vote for this one. You know, it's clear.
Vote for the better one.
This one, you know. So, vote which one you want in the poll. And if we can't do a poll, then in the comments down below. Now,
all right, so next one.
Alien from Toy Story, because, you know, I like Toy Story.
So you don't get a blue.
Orange. Okay, not bad.
So you got 2 blues,
well,
2 types of blues.
No, this is purple.
Right.
This is the one I was trying to get you to grab, and you grabbed it.
So that's still pretty good. I mean, red,
orange
and pink.
But you have the orange and the red.
Yeah.
I have 3 completely different colors, so that's good.
All right.
All right.
Ready?
Set. Go. Which one do you like more, actually? Do you like yours?
I kind of like mine better.
Which one do you like more? Let us know.
No.
Yours is creepy, though.
Mine's got like a little bit of creep to it, but it's not that bad. All right, guys. So this is our last one.
We're doing Iron Man. So Iron Man suit's really just 3 colors, anyways. Oh wow, you already have a bad marker choice.
I don't know.
Did you see it?
Yeah, I saw it from the corner of my eye.
Oh, don't look.
No, I can't see it like as I'm pulling it out. I only saw.
Oh wow.
Oh crap, pink. Like orange and black, I can work.
Wait, hold on. Is he gonna be a? Is that gonna be a Valentine's Iron Man, Jamal?
Could be. Oh my word! He got like all 3 blues. Wow.
This is purple. How many times do I have to tell you? Anyways,
yeah.
Let's go ahead and get started.
All right, guys. So sorry about that. The camera accidentally died on us. So a good part of this was missing, but don't worry because this actually took us way longer than we thought it was.
And we didn't even quite finish. As you can tell, I was stuck with just blue.
And I had more colors to mine.
Just for the reason that he has more colors, it's better that way. Because mine, I don't know if you can tell, if you look at his hand, it's blue. You know, this is Ice Iron Man. He shoots out ice. He's the Elsa in the Marvel Cinematic Universe now.
The problem is he has a problem with letting go his anger problems.
Vote which one you think is better.
And that was the last one, guys. So with that, we are going to be closing up for the day.
Yep. So hope you guys enjoyed this video.
And thanks, guys, for those of you who stayed till the end of this video.
Because it was long.
It was long.
Kind of. For us, it was at least.
For us, it was very long. You guys are going to get a video here and here. This one is an awesome baking buttercream video, which if you guys have missed, you guys should go check out. And this one, I have no clue what it is.
YouTube recommends this one. It's different for every person. Click one of these videos. They're both really fun. Click the baking and buttercream icon. Just subscribe to my channel. All right, guys, that's it. And my hand's super colored.
Actually,